Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY tissue paper box from just one 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock. So you can do this with any square paper depending on the size that you want your box to be. So I'm using a 12 by 12 paper. We're going to start by folding it in half, opening it and folding it in half in the other direction. Always good to use a bone folder to burnish your folds. Now we're going to insert the corners to the center. We're going to fold all four corners. Make sure they are aligned with the two cross lines that we folded before. So we're going to fold all the corners towards the inside like this. Make sure everything is straight. It's important because later we need the box to match on all sides. So now we are going to fold one straight side to the center like this, and then the other side as well towards the center like this. So this is what we have so far. We're going to open the last two folds and then fold the other two straight edges towards the inside. So we're going to have the same fold lines on all sides. Okay, so now we can move ahead and open all the folds that we did. Fold the corner towards the first score line like this, and then fold another time for the straight edge to meet the top of the corner. So follow the line, fold the corner, and then fold the straight edge towards the corner again. Was a little bit confusing there, but I got it. Okay, and then the last corner. Just want to make sure that it doesn't pop out. Okay, so now we have all four sides folded. Now we're going to fold each side one more time toward the center like this. Basically have the score lines already, just need to arrange the paper accordingly. Okay, so our box is almost done. We're going to flip it now to the other side and fold each of the corners. There is a fold line there, so you're going to be able to fold them like this on all four sides. Okay, now comes the tricky part where we need to lift the walls of the box and insert them one inside the other. So you open the corners like this and then insert one corner inside the other. They will kind of open up on their own because there are fold lines there that we did before. It's kind of hard the first time. You have to wiggle it a little bit and then this is basically how it's going to look. It doesn't hold on its own, so we're going to need to glue it with some glue. So I'm going to apply glue. You can apply the glue to the inside of the corner or to where you're going to glue it on the other side. Then you have to hold it a little bit. Just holding it flat against my table so it won't move. You see, it moves if it's not dry, or if you didn't put enough glue, it will move. So like I said, you can put the glue inside the corner or outside the corner that you're going to glue it to. And then just hold it until it's dry. And then you repeat this process and glue all 4 corners of your box. Just going to hold it until it's dry and then glue the last corner. And then you need to wait until all the corners are dry and you make sure that nothing moved and everything is aligned and straight. Just making sure of that. Then I'm going to show you how to fold the tissue paper to fit inside the box. So I'm just taking out a few tissue papers, and they're square obviously, and I'm going to cut them in half with my scissors. If you make the box smaller, you might need to cut your tissue paper to 4 pieces or maybe even 6, depending how small you make it. It all depends on the square that you start with. So you're going to take one tissue paper and then put the next one overlapping it halfway, and then fold the first tissue paper on it, and then continue this way. And then you stack all the tissue papers. By folding them like this, they will behave like tissue paper when you pull them out of the box. So you pull one and then the other one leaves a popping like this that you can keep on pulling. So this is your tissue paper. I hope you liked it. Tissue paper box. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything. And thank you very much for joining me. I will see you next time.